trust and dependence on IT, and this is what I mean. If your engineering firm is able to operate without IT solutions, then there is something wrong with that. Company, because IT currently, the way it is being deployed, it is focusing on all aspects of life, not just engineering, but also things to do with health, things to do with insurance, things to do with medical. And so if your firm is not focused and dependent on IT for its performance, there's something wrong with that firm. So currently what we do, and currently the applications that, currently tasks that are currently being helped or currently being assisted by IT solutions in our organization. We have design, we have communication, we have optimization, or what we call engineering optimization, and also documentation. They all have to rely on IT solutions, as I can show in the following slides. So, engineering design, this one is basic for all of us. Even the students have done design. So, we use IT solutions for all our designs. Safaricom is a big corporation where we have designs in all engineering fields. We have mechanical designers, we have engineering designers, electrical engineering designers, we have telecommunication designers, and we also have civil designers who use several tools for their work. So we are all familiar with CAD solutions that are used for mostly for structural designs. So once you do the design, you need to have a prediction or a platform where you can test your design and see how it will behave in the environment once it is set out there for use. So we have tools that do performance prediction. One good example is the tools that we use for microwave design. We are able to do a microwave link design, and you change parameters and play around with them and see how, once this link is installed out there, will be able to perform given the condition that you have set in your tool. So we are able to use IT technology to do predictions for systems that we design. And that is also prediction for traffic management. Traffic, I'm not talking about road, I'm talking about traffic to do with voice traffic and data traffic. I'm speaking from a point of view of Safaricom or a company like Safaricom. So we are able to use our tools to predict how traffic is going to be managed or how traffic is going to respond to any changes that we do in the network. So some of these tools, I can't tell you exactly which tools that we use, but we are able to use tools that are able to monitor and predict how a new system or a new tool will behave or how it will be received by customers, and with that information we are able to do optimization on these tools and also optimization on these networks. So after we do performance prediction, we will do tests on the design using the same tools. We will do simulation whereby you're able to generate or make the system at the design stage behave as if it is being used out there in the commercial network, and you're able to have a review of what you're doing to a central server or a central place. You monitor your systems, and you're able to collect data, and you're able to see how your system is performing, how your system is doing, and that is now in the real world of operation. So once you monitor, you're able to tell whether your system has a fault or something like that. This is one of the biggest things we do in Safaricom. I joined Safaricom 11 years ago, and when I joined, I was network management. So what I'm calling engineering optimization is basically the new technologies that we are talking about, that is Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. So that those new technologies come with the purpose of eliminating redundant, repetitive, and mostly predictable processes. I know us as engineers, we normally are very cautious when handling these things, because if you read that sentence very clearly, it may mean redundancy of some things or some roles that we do. So, but I think it's not something to scare us, especially students. What I've learned is that whatever new technology comes in, you can always adapt and get another thing to do. Right now we are doing IoT, where I work, we are doing artificial intelligence. It's something which is in the process of being implemented. Implementation of these technologies doesn't stop and say, now we've rolled out 5G, now we've rolled out 4G, now it goes on like that. So this is something that is continuously being evolved and being developed. So there are things, there are tools in IT that we use to manage our systems and to also to improve efficiency. And for example, if I can give one, a lot of engineering designs, we are able to produce very fantastic designs, but we have still not hacked the best way to do documentation for what we do. So the kinds of documentation that we have in engineering, product drawings, we have bill of materials, we have design specifications, testing and integration procedures, whereby if you have a new system, you have to have a standard way of testing and making sure it is working okay as per design. And we also have engineering inventory, basically a collection of whatever you have. So we have tools that in IT that will help us do all this. So that was it. I don't know if there's any question. I will take them after I think the presentation.
Thank you very much. We certainly have questions for you. Please clap for you.